See that last image of the pets. The pets are getting me too. I mean, the whole story from Southern California is just a heartbreak. But when you see those pets,
I know, really, really sad. But hopefully everyone stays safe, listens to officials, and gets out ahead of time. Yes, for sure. We also have our own weather alert here in central New York. We're dealing with some heavy lake effect snow that's already brought 1 to 2 feet up across the Tug Hill and is now dropping south. We still have lake effect snow warnings in effect for Oswego and northern Oneida counties. Winter weather advisories for Onondaga, Cayuga, Wayne, Madison, southern Oneida counties all the way through 1 a.m. Thursday. Right now, the lake effect snow is still across Oswego, northern Oneida counties. This is where we've seen 1 to 2 feet. Zooming in to show you specifically where this is, areas by Richland, Redfield, Montague, Lowville, heading out towards Lionsdale. And further south, notice the drop-off, little to nothing south of Camden and Hastings. Here in Syracuse, still haven't seen the snow yet, but it is on the move, as I mentioned. This is a live look from our triple Doppler radar, sponsored by Falsa Service Experts. We have 2 bands. Right now, one coming in from the west off of Lake Ontario, and another one off of Lake Erie, as we still have that west wind, bringing just some lighter snow showers, though, for the southern tier. We're mainly focused on this first band. This is bringing some heavy pockets of snow right now over Oswego, Hastings, stretching out towards Camden and just north of Rome. And it is gradually making its way south and should be reaching Syracuse as we head into this evening. The reason why it's on the move is a cold front that's dropping in from the north, and this will also bring us some chillier and windier conditions for tonight and tomorrow. Timing this out with your futurecast. Right now, the lake effect snow sits over Oswego and northern Oneida counties. Getting closer to about 8 or 9 p.m. is when it should be reaching Syracuse. Areas along the thruway stretching out towards Utica, also into Cazenovia, places by Sodas Point. Anywhere south of the thruway, getting closer to about 10 p.m., maybe midnight for areas far to the south down by Cortland. The lake effect snow will be heavy at the start, but later on at night becomes much, much lighter. It will still be around for sunrise on Wednesday, but just some scattered light snow showers and flurries to deal with for the morning. Those will be on and off as we go through the first half of the day Wednesday, and then our next weather system will bring a warm front that ramps up the winds, and that's actually going to bring a change in the wind direction. So this will start to bring some lake effect snow showers steady in Syracuse around 8 p.m., but moves up north towards midnight, and by sunrise on Thursday should be out of here. Snowfall amounts, we can expect to see 3 to 6 inches for Syracuse and much of central New York. 6 inches or more, though, for places by Tully and over by Wolcott, Fulton, Baldwinsville, and Cato. After the lake effect snow moves up north and tapers off, we do have another snowy system for Thursday that'll bring maybe a coating to an inch, if that. Morning lake effect snow on Friday quickly tapers off with afternoon sun, and then a widespread rainy and snowy system Saturday, drying out Sunday. More lake effect snow on Monday and becoming much colder. Highs in the 20s to start, teens towards the middle of the week. Michael?
Cold. Thank you, Violet. The SU